Asenzeni lo muntu lo. Asenzeni lo muntu simbone ukuthi it is true vele ukuthi bekumele bahlukane no-Offset or it's just a mediocre again. Abantu basikhulumela ku-media, they don't know the life of Cardi B, ukuthi uCardi B kumele adlule ey'ntweni ey'njani ey'njani. I'm tired of the people who are discriminating the black gods here, because the black gods, they are trying to make the living. Then bese kuza abanye abantu bona bayitshela ukuthi they are above everything, they know the life of someone, understand? So I'm going to hear right now. Cardi B, Cardi B, Cardi B, come out. I'm going to hear. Let her reveal herself. You see, all that they said about Cardi B is a lie. Understand? I feel like nobody knows how Cardi B was supposed to go through life. Because if you see the stars of Cardi B, how they're pointing, Cardi B, she's still going to date. And she's a Libran. You see, how many men that Cardi B she's gonna meet in this world? How many men? She's a life giver. She's not here to date a one guy in this world. She's a Libran. You understand? Look at her life. It's pointing as a creator, the mother of creator. Look at her life. Bheka labantu laba asazodata nabo bheka. Understand? Let's stop sitshela ukuthi no, because uCardi B ulahlile. What? No, she's a mother of a creator. Understand? And if I can mix all of these things, they give me number 6. That means she's a protective of family and loved ones. Charmistic and magnetic, caring and nurturing, responsible and determined. She's down to creative and security and success to those who are around them. You understand? This thing is going to show you everything. But if you still gonna follow this mediocre, you're still gonna search the gods. And she's a Libran, understand? She's a Libran. She's balancing the scale of our souls in the soul. She's an angel of God, a creator, a mother of Eve. She's charmistic and social intelligence, strong ones, feminine, love and beauty and luxury, ability to connect with many different people. Understand? So she's an Aries. She needs to know how to rise from the moon. Aries moon. Not to rise from the sun, but to the moon. That's how she is. They train her. They train her. They train her. They train her. This is why all of this thing, this thing that they're coming out here, they're showing you who she is. She's a mother who came here to create our souls. Not to stick with the one relationship. She's a number 6. She's a beast. She's a beast. Understand? Even if we criticize her how she lost a man, how do you know? I'm gonna go through Offset and see what's here now. Understand how he hits me. Understand? I'm tired of y'all coming out here to criticize the black god who are trying to make a living. Understand? So if you go through all of this thing, it's gonna tell us why she became famous. Cardi B first built a large audience through social media. Kabang again, she's a 6. Her energy is able to do that. She's a 6. She built her life through media, TikTok, and everything. She's a 6. Reality television before coming a global rapper star with a song. Understand? In Boroka Yellow, an album, Invasion of Privacy. Her outspoken personality's ability to connect with audience because she rise from the sun and the moon. Somebody trained her to do this, to balance all of these scales because you saw her yesterday how they are pointing. Understand? So she's a 6, a beast. Understand? Build strong relationship, self-experience, taking care of family. That's how the 6 are. You see, when Cardi B, she can go with you at the mall, shop, anywhere. She can spend her money on you, all of her money on you. These people, they have a care. Number 6. They have a care. They can spend a lot of money on you, and you won't believe. We'll say how, and she will come with nothing, nothing, no change. She's there to create the source, to balance the scales. Anyway, let's leave that she's coming from Libra. We know what all the Libras, they are angels, understand? But she's a 6 on the side. That's how the soul code is standing. She's a 6. She's a 6. She can spend. She can create your soul. She can nurture you. She can heal you. She's a mother of a creator of our souls. Yes, she can sing and rap the things, understanding that they understand because, hey, you know, Freemason meaning 3 steps. Take 3 steps because everything is a conscious, is an ocean. What you see here is not an air, it's an ocean. The only it's a fish that can see that you are in the water, but you can see that the fish is in the water because the conscious is defined itself to mother and the father side. So we are in the ocean, and she's a creative. You gotta respect this life, understand? You gotta respect this life. Yesterday I did Chris Brown. That I told you that he's a one. He's me. He's a leader. Understand? Meaning he's supposed to like do his thing. Understand? Meaning and repeating them. Kendrick Lamar, he's a 3, a beast 2, 6. You understand? So if you still want to me to open your soul code 0646354338 on my WhatsApp. And thank you for those who WhatsApp or text me today. Peer reflection. And may the creator be with you all the time. Thank you.